Antarctica, the world's greatest freezer, is melting. Trillions of gallons are draining into the oceans. Sea levels are rising. It's happened before, and it's happening again, right now. It is not a question of will sea level rise. It's only a question of how fast that will occur. How will humans fight back before our cities are inundated? And holding off the sea will be the major employer of the world by 2100, massive levees to defend our coastlines, floating towns and cities, vast dams connecting continents. It's our greatest challenge yet. Earth underwater. This is New York in the 24th century. Sea levels have risen by 120 feet. Manhattan's flooded. What could cause such a terrifying scenario? The answer lies here, in Antarctica, where vast amounts of frozen water are locked up in ice. Some of the Antarctica's ice sheets are more than 2 miles thick. If melted, this ice would dramatically rise sea levels, and the melting has already started.